Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Lyft showing your pickup location in completely the wrong place or unable to detect where you are at all? This is super common, especially during summer travel. Here's the fast fix. First, go to settings on your iPhone and then search for the Lyft app. Then tap on location and make sure it is set to while using the app. If it says never or ask next time, change it to while using right now. Then go back to the Lyft app and then tap the location target icon on the map to center the pin on your actual position. If the pin is still wrong, do the airplane mode GPS reset tick. Turn on airplane mode for 15 seconds, then turn it back off. This forces your iPhone to reacquire a fresh GPS signal. After turning airplane mode on, open Lyft app and your location should snap to the correct spot. If you're inside a building, the GPS will still be off. Step closer to a window or briefly step outside and the pin will lock your real location. So all you've got to do is go to settings, go to Lyft, then location and set it to while using. Reset GPS with airplane mode, step outside if indoors, and that's it. Location pin will lock correctly.